Hello, doers. My name is Jose Ignacio, and welcome back. Today, we're going to learn how to create field service interventions in Odoo 19.2 and later. Field service tasks represent the work your technicians perform in the field, whether that's installing equipment, performing maintenance, or completing repairs. Since field service is part of the planning app, these interventions are managed as planning shifts, making it easy to schedule and dispatch your team. Let's start by looking at one of the most common ways field service tasks are automatically created. You can check back later in the Planning Field Service Interventions tutorial to see how to create tasks directly from the planning app. Anyways, enough chit chat, let's get started. Okay, so we recently started offering solar panel installation services, and we need to make sure that when customers purchase it, our installers are appropriately assigned. So we're going to go to products up at the top heading in the sales app and then products once again. So here we have the solar panel installation service product. Let's open her up. So right down here on the general information tab is the plan services checkbox right there and option. So let's enable that. Boom, we've checked it off. And as soon as I do that, I have some new options. First, inside of this drop down over here, I need to choose what role will be assigned to this intervention. For this, let's stick with our installer for now. All right, let's close this out by clicking away. So right below that, we have the worksheet field. We will talk more about worksheets later, but for now, let's select the solar panel installation worksheet. All right, so now let's see it in action. So we're gonna head on up to, actually first, manually save, just because we're paranoid Nancy's. All right, so now we're going to actually head up to orders at the top heading and then quotations. And then we're going to select new because we're going to make a new one right here. So our customer, Acme Corporation, has expressed interest in the solar panel service. So let's get them set up. So down inside of our order lines tab, after you first make sure you select Acme Corporation for our customer, we're going to now select add a line. All right. So we're going to do that solar panel installation. Perfect. Gone ahead and selected it and everything looks good. So let's hit confirm. Boom. So once the sales order is confirmed, Odoo automatically creates a field service shift that can be scheduled from the planning app. Let's go take a look. So we're going to select our planning smart button up at the top. So on the planning dashboard, we can actually see that there isn't a shift currently scheduled. In the to schedule sidebar that we have over here, we can see Acme Corporation is waiting to be scheduled. So let's take care of that. So up on the top of the page, I'm going to select our nice little actions button over here to the far left, and then I'm going to select auto plan. And would you look at that? Our new shift is automatically added to the schedule and assigned to an installer. So let's actually take a closer look. So for that, we're going to click on the shift and then select edit. Boom, pop-ups, my favorite. And this pop-up includes all of the information our technician will need for the intervention, including the customer contact information, which is very important. So up here, you might have noticed we have allocated time. So under allocated time, it looks like only 1 hour is scheduled for this intervention. This happens because of the quantity sold on the sales order. However, I think we will actually need some more time than that for this installation. So let's actually bump that up to 5 hours. Right there. Perfect. All right, perfect. So if we want to ensure that our technician has a scheduled break, we can add it, you guessed it, inside of our little break field right there. But it's going to lower the allocated time. So if I add a 1 hour break, the allocated time drops to 4 hours. You can actually see that. Boom. So let's go back to leave that just so that you believe me. And look at that, it does it automatically even. Okay, so down here inside of our notes tab, I can add any additional information my technician might need. Since this is the first time we are doing this install, I want to make sure every step is documented. So I'm going to say that. Make sure to take photos at every step of the process, period, because we're punctual. All right. Now remember that worksheet from earlier. Since we added it to this intervention, it's going to appear on this tab. Boom. And you can see that right there. So when a worksheet is selected, the worksheet tab is automatically populated with the appropriate form for the technician to complete while performing the service. Depending on your workflow, technicians can also record products used, timesheets, and other service information as they complete the job. Now, don't worry, folks. We'll talk about worksheets more in another video. For now, let's actually select and click Publish down below. So once that we do this, boom, look at that. We have Shift is sent. Nice little banner right there, meaning that our technician is updated via email for his new assignment. You can take things from here. So that's it. Whether they're created automatically from a sales order or manually from the planning schedule, field service shifts provide everything your team needs to plan and complete on-site work. Thanks for watching. Go grab a snack.